try out a new angle this time around again. So I had like the original just shoot at the front of me angle, and then I got 2 cameras and I started doing the one where it's like coming in this way as the neck angle, and then the one where it's shooting the picking hand, so those 2 angles combined. And now, because I was having visibility issues with the other one, sometimes you can't really tell the chord shape that well because my fingers are hiding the other fingers when it's shooting this way. So I figured I'm gonna try this one where I shoot like from here down on the neck. So trying to mimic a little bit of what it looks like when you're looking down at the guitar neck. It's not quite there, but kind of. And then gonna keep the angle where you're looking at the picking hand just like normal. So I'll combine those 2 angles. Let me know what you think. I'm looking for your feedback on these. I wanna know what's gonna work best for you guys. So leave a comment below. Which ones do you prefer? Or should I just choose the angle for the video based on the method that gives you the best visibility and just switch it up? I don't want it to be switching it up all the time and have that be annoying to you, but if it's gonna be helpful, then I certainly don't mind and I'll do that. It's not that big of a deal to set it up either way. So let me know. King of My Heart by Bethel. Hope you guys enjoy it.
Chorus. Verse. Verse. Chorus. Chorus. Bridge. Breakdown. Bridge. Bridge.